What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. I have the wheels on the car finally. So before I do anything, guys, I want to wish you a happy 4th of July. It is the 4th of July, so don't blow any of your fingers off. And if you are watching this and it's too late, I'm sorry I didn't warn you earlier. But let's get right into it, guys. So I went with 20 by 9.5 in the front and 20 by 11 in the rear. I'm on Michelin Pilot Sport AS, so all season tires. I wasn't able to get Michelin Pilot Sport 4S like I did on the 19s because they were actually on back order in the front. So I had to do with what I could, and guys, the fitment is insane. It's a 265/30/20 and a 295/30/20. The only issue is that these all-season tires tend to have just a fraction of an inch probably bigger sidewall than these do since they're an all-season tire. So as my fitment, like I said, is really great, but I actually rub the fender liner some whenever I go over bumps and I happen to be going pretty fast. So that's the only issue I'm facing right now, but it is a process of trial and error, guys. So shout out to Euro Tuning for actually helping me figure out my offsets and everything. Luckily for me, HRE FF04 wheels, they actually make specs and packages that are specifically for the F8X. So the F80 M3 and the F82 M4, they make packages, wheel packages, with the offsets that you need for these cars. That made it a lot easier on me, and I am super happy. So without further ado, guys, let's check out the video. I went to the city and did some cinematics, and I also got to go to the parkway. Filming was not easy today, guys, so I'm actually back at home to film this part. It is the 4th of July, as I stated before, and it is a total shit show around the whole area. There's going to be a parade and fireworks. So I picked the worst day of the year to film this probably. But anyways, guys, without further ado, here is some better shots of my car with the new wheels on it. Let's go. Alright guys, so comment down below what you think of the new wheels and tires, and if you do like looking at this car as much as I do, then why don't you do me a favor and hit the like and subscribe buttons. Do your boy a favor. Anyways, thank you guys. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.